Welcome back. You're watching In Depth on the Indian medicine industry. India is far ahead of other countries in manufacturing generic drugs which are exported to several other countries across the world. The demand for cheap, life-saving drugs made by Indian drug companies is very high in the world. Let's take a look now at India's generic medicine industry.
India is the largest provider of generic drugs globally, with a 20% share in supplies by volume. The chemical composition of generic drugs is similar to branded medicines but are available in the market by their chemical names which are not familiar to the general public. For example, Crocin, the most common medicine used to treat common cold and fever, is the branded name for paracetamol. But what is the difference between the generic and the branded drugs? When a pharmaceutical company develops a medicine after several years of research and testing, it usually patents the drug, which means that only the pharmaceutical company that holds the patent is allowed to manufacture, market the medicine and eventually make profit from them. A drug patent is usually awarded for 10 to 15 years, but once the patent expires, the drug can be manufactured and sold by other companies. Only 9% of the drugs available in the Indian markets are patented and more than 70% are generic drugs.
We are making all life-saving medicines here. 95% of anti-cancer medicines are made in India. Very good availability is there. Even our primary health centers are flooded with medicines.
Usually, drugs researched for diseases are composed of the same chemical salts, but generic drugs are much cheaper than patented drugs. 20% of the world's generic medicines are exported from India to US, Canada, Japan, Australia, UK and other countries.
India medicine exports are growing every day, and I think one of the largest export sectors today after IT is pharmaceuticals. We are exporting medicines all over the world. And to US and USA, the medicines are being exported from the US FDA and EU DMF, EU Medicine Regulatory Agencies approved plants. To rest of the world, the medicines are being exported from all WHO GMP approved plants. So it's growing. It's a very good.
There is a huge difference in the price of generic and branded drugs for diseases like cancer, heart ailments, neurology and diabetes, among others. The government's initiative, Pradhan Mantri Bharatiya Jan Aushadhi Kendra, also aims to provide quality medicines at affordable prices to the masses. More than 600 generic medicines are available at these public dispensaries at affordable prices. Bureau Report, Rajya Sabha TV.